In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media links to Mailchimp, if you've ever wanted to make your email campaigns more engaging and clickable. Adding social media links is a great way to connect with your audience across multiple platforms. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to sign into your Mailchimp account. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, having easy access to all the features you're familiar with is essential for a seamless workflow. Once you're logged in, decide whether you want to create a new email campaign or edit an existing one. If you're looking to refresh an older campaign, editing can be a straightforward way to update your content without starting from scratch. Now that you're in the email editor, direct your attention to the social follow content block. This is a pre-designed block that lets you effortlessly add social media links to your email. To use it, simply drag and drop the social follow content block into your email layout. You'll want to place it where it will catch the eye of your readers, such as in the header or footer of your email. Once it's positioned correctly, it's time to customize the block to fit your needs. Click on the block to open the editing options. Here you can choose which social platforms you want to include in your email. Popular choices often include Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. However, Mailchimp supports many platforms, so if your brand is active on YouTube, Pinterest, or TikTok, don't hesitate to add those as well. If you're wondering about Twitter, note that its name has recently changed to X. Don't forget to include the full URL for each social media profile. It's important to copy the website addresses directly from your browser to ensure they're accurate. This way, your audience can easily reach your social media channels with a single click. Next, customize the appearance of the icons. Mailchimp provides options to adjust the style, size, alignment, and spacing of your social media icons. This means you can make them blend seamlessly with the rest of your email design or stand out as a focal point. Be mindful of your brand aesthetics when choosing icon styles to maintain a cohesive look. Once you're satisfied with the selections and customizations, make sure to save your changes. Double-check that all links are functioning correctly by clicking on them in preview mode just to confirm they direct viewers to the correct destinations. And there you have it. Adding social media links to your Mailchimp emails is a simple yet effective way to boost engagement and grow your online community. Thank you for watching, and feel free to like, subscribe, or leave a comment with any questions you might have. See you in the next video.